Alaska's Mount Spurr, a towering volcano long dormant, is showing signs of stirring. This majestic peak, often cloaked in a serene blanket of snow, now hints at the raw power lying beneath its surface. The small plume of smoke rising from its peak is a subtle yet significant signal that the giant may be awakening from its long slumber. Scientists are closely monitoring the situation. Equipped with advanced technology, they set up monitoring equipment around the volcano, meticulously gathering data. In their field stations, they analyze this information, looking for patterns and anomalies that could indicate an impending eruption. Their work is a blend of science and vigilance, as they strive to understand the volcano's behavior. They are observing for any hints of a potential eruption. The seismograph needle's movements are scrutinized for signs of seismic activity, while volcanic gas samples are examined for changes in composition. These subtle indicators can provide crucial early warnings, allowing scientists to predict when and how the volcano might erupt. Understanding the language of volcanoes is crucial. Geologists meticulously document their observations, translating the volcano's signals into data that can be analyzed and interpreted. Researchers use charts and models to explain volcanic activity, making complex processes understandable. This knowledge is vital for predicting eruptions and mitigating their impact. This is especially true in regions where these fiery giants slumber. Dormant volcanoes, surrounded by lush forests and tranquil landscapes, can awaken with little warning. In volcanic regions, the presence of multiple volcanoes adds to the complexity, as each has its own unique behavior and potential for eruption. Volcanic eruptions are powerful forces of nature. When a volcano erupts, it releases immense energy, spewing ash clouds into the sky and sending rivers of lava flowing down its slopes. These eruptions can be both awe-inspiring and devastating, showcasing the raw power of the Earth. They can reshape landscapes and impact the lives of those nearby. The aftermath of an eruption can be seen in the altered landscapes, where once familiar terrain is covered in volcanic ash. Homes and roads can be buried, and communities disrupted. The impact on human life and the environment can be profound and long-lasting. By studying the signs, we can prepare for potential hazards. Emergency response teams conduct drills to ensure readiness, while scientists create volcanic hazard maps to inform and protect communities. These efforts are crucial for minimizing the risks associated with living near a volcano. We can also gain a deeper understanding of our planet's inner workings. Studying volcanic activity not only helps us prepare for eruptions, but also provides insights into the Earth's geothermal processes. By examining the layers of our planet and the forces at play, scientists can unlock the secrets of how our world functions, deepening our knowledge of the natural world. Recently, Mount Spurr has been whispering secrets into the air. This majestic yet formidable volcano, located in the heart of Alaska, has a history of sudden and violent eruptions. Its recent activity has caught the attention of volcanologists and local residents alike. The mountain, which has been relatively quiet for years, is now showing signs of waking up from its slumber. Plumes of steam, larger than any seen in recent years, have been observed rising from its peak. These plumes are not just ordinary steam, they are laden with volcanic gases and ash particles, indicating that something significant is happening beneath the surface. The sheer size and frequency of these plumes are unprecedented, causing both awe and concern among scientists. These ghostly exhalations are a telltale sign of increased heat flow. The steam, which appears almost ethereal as it rises into the sky, is a clear indicator that the volcano is heating up. This increased heat flow suggests that the magma chamber beneath Mount Spurr is becoming more active, potentially leading to an eruption. It suggests that magma, molten rock from deep within the Earth, is rising. This molten rock, which can reach temperatures of over 1,200 degrees Celsius, is making its way towards the surface. As it rises, it melts the surrounding rock, creating a pathway for itself. This process is both fascinating and terrifying, as it can lead to explosive eruptions. Adding to the concern, scientists have detected a marked increase in gas emissions. These emissions are a critical piece of the puzzle, helping scientists understand what is happening beneath the surface. By monitoring these gases, scientists can make more accurate predictions about potential eruptions and their impact on the surrounding area. These gases, such as sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, are released as magma rises and depressurizes. Sulfur dioxide, in particular, is a key indicator of volcanic activity. When magma rises, it releases these gases, which can then be detected by specialized equipment. The presence of these gases in large quantities is a clear sign that the volcano is becoming more active. They act as a natural barometer for what's happening beneath the surface. By measuring the levels of these gases, scientists can gain valuable insights into the state of the magma chamber and the likelihood of an eruption. This information is crucial for preparing and protecting the communities living in the shadow of Mount Spurr. The mountain's recent activity serves as a stark reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. Mount Spurr's last eruption, though relatively minor, occurred in 1992. This eruption served as a stark reminder of the volcano's potential power. It blanketed nearby Anchorage in a layer of ash. This disrupted air travel and daily life for many. While the 1992 eruption caused disruption, a larger eruption could have far more significant consequences. Understanding the past behavior of a volcano is essential for predicting future eruptions. Scientists study past eruptions to assess the types and scales of hazards posed. Scientists employ a range of sophisticated tools to monitor volcanoes. Seismometers are used to detect earthquakes. These tiny tremors often increase in frequency and intensity before an eruption. GPS stations track ground deformation. This subtle swelling or sinking of the ground can indicate magma movement. Gas monitoring equipment analyzes the composition and volume of gases released. By piecing together this data, scientists can build a comprehensive picture of a volcano's internal activity. This helps them to forecast potential eruptions. Section 5. A looming threat, potential impacts. A significant eruption from Mount Spurr could have wide-ranging impacts. Ash plumes, depending on their size and wind direction, could disrupt air travel. This would affect both local and international routes. Ashfall could pose health risks. It can cause respiratory problems and contaminate water supplies. In addition, glacial meltwater from an eruption could trigger lahars. These are fast-moving mud flows that can travel for miles, destroying everything in their path. Understanding these risks is crucial for developing effective emergency response plans. Section 6. The importance of preparedness. While the future of Mount Spurr remains uncertain, one thing is clear: preparedness is key. Local authorities are working closely with scientists to monitor the situation. They are also developing emergency plans and raising awareness among residents. Residents in potentially affected areas should be familiar with evacuation routes. They should also have emergency kits prepared. These kits should include essentials such as food, water, masks, and a battery-powered radio. Section 7. Living in the shadow of giants. Living in the shadow of a volcano presents unique challenges. It requires a balance between respecting the power of nature and understanding that eruptions are a natural part of our planet's evolution. By studying volcanoes, we can mitigate risks and learn to live more harmoniously with these awe-inspiring forces. Section 8. The future of Mount Spurr. The future of Mount Spurr remains unwritten. It could erupt or it could fall silent once more. The current activity may simply be a period of unrest. However, the increased attention and monitoring are essential. By studying volcanoes like Mount Spurr, we gain valuable insights into the Earth's inner workings. This knowledge helps us to predict and prepare for future eruptions, ensuring the safety and well-being of those living in volcanic regions. Section 9. Conclusion. A call to awareness. The stirring of Mount Spurr serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our planet. This majestic volcano, with its towering presence and occasional eruptions, is a testament to the ever-changing and powerful forces that shape our world. Each rumble and plume of smoke is a call to awareness, urging us to pay attention to the signs and signals that nature provides. Volcanoes, though potentially destructive, are a fundamental part of Earth's systems. They play a crucial role in the formation of our planet, contributing to the creation of new land and the release of essential gases into the atmosphere. The molten lava that flows from their peaks, the ash that blankets the sky, and the steam that rises from their craters are all part of a natural process that has been occurring for millions of years. By understanding the risks they pose and heeding the warnings they provide, we can coexist with these powerful forces. Scientists and researchers dedicate their lives to studying these natural phenomena, using advanced technology and methods to predict eruptions and mitigate their impact. Their work is vital in helping communities prepare and respond effectively to volcanic activity. It is crucial to stay informed, follow the guidance of local authorities, and be prepared. Community meetings, safety drills, and emergency kits are all essential components of a comprehensive preparedness plan. By participating in these activities and staying vigilant, we can reduce the risks associated with living near a volcano and ensure the safety of our families and neighbors. The future of Mount Spurr remains uncertain. While it may lie dormant for years, the potential for an eruption always exists. Continuous monitoring and research are necessary to keep track of any changes in its activity. The data collected by scientists helps us understand the patterns and behaviors of this volcano, providing valuable insights that can inform our preparedness efforts. However, by working together, we can navigate the challenges and wonders of living in a world shaped by volcanoes. Collaboration between scientists, local authorities, and community members is key to building resilience and fostering a culture of safety and awareness. Together we can appreciate the beauty and power of these natural wonders while